In First Day at School, Class 2 students experience the excitement and apprehension of starting school. The poem captures the emotions of a child as they enter a new phase of life, expressing feelings of nervousness, curiosity, and eventual joy. Through vivid imagery and simple language, it portrays the journey from hesitation to embracing new friends and activities. The poem highlights the importance of courage and adaptation in unfamiliar situations, making it relatable for young readers. It concludes with a sense of accomplishment and readiness for the learning adventure ahead. For more enriching educational content, subscribe to Bharat Self-Learning and discover a world of engaging resources tailored for young learners.